Good morning, Brian Ewell here with My Community Services. We are a tax preparation company out of Houston, Texas. We are the number one affordable professional source for all your tax preparation and multi-service needs. Today's video is just a tax tip to show you the difference between a credit and a deduction. Many people get this confused, so I'm just gonna give you guys a simple saying to help you remember the difference between a credit and a deduction when you're going to get your taxes done this year, or when you're talking about your taxes in general, because it's the definition. A lot of people really don't understand it. So I have a simple saying that I use to help me really understand the difference between a tax deduction and a tax credit. So basically, a tax credit reduces your actual income tax, and a tax deduction reduces your taxable income. Now, say that again with me one time so you can remember that. A tax credit reduces your actual income tax, and a tax deduction reduces your taxable income. Quick example if, of a tax credit. If you owe $2,500 in taxes and you receive $1,000 tax credit, you will now only owe $1,500 in taxes for that year. A tax deduction is not worth as much as a tax credit because it only reduces your taxable income. Meaning, if you have $1,000 deduction and your taxable income for that year is, let's just say, $50,000, now your taxable income is only $49,000. You see the difference? So, yes, you will owe less in taxes, but the difference between the credit and why it's more valuable is it's a dollar for dollar tax reduction. Meaning, if you have $1,000 tax credit, your actual income taxes will get reduced by that $1,000. If you got $1,000 deduction, you will multiply that times your tax bracket. So if you have $1,000 deduction and you're in a 25% tax bracket, your income taxes will only be reduced that you owe by $250 because you take the $1,000 times 250. Again, my name is Brian Ewell. I hope this information was helpful to you with My Community Services. My tax offices are located in Houston, Texas. Give us a call if you need any tips, advice at 281-575-8130. Again, our number is 281-575-8130, or visit us on the web at www.mycommunityservices.com. Thank you and have a less taxing tax season. Hey, Brian Ewell here with My Community Services. We are the number one affordable tax preparation and multi-service company in Houston. We have 5 Houston area locations. And today I'm just going to give you guys a little tax tip and tell you the difference between a credit and a deduction. A lot of people often get this wrong, and it's a misconception, and they really don't understand the importance of knowing the difference between the two. So here we go. Actual tax credit. A tax credit reduces